right, here we're going on a classic Aero corkscrew here at Toshimaen in Japan. And that's right, this is legendary original style corkscrew. And Shelly May's riding with us. How's it going, Shelly May? I think this might actually be her very first big roller coaster outside of Disney. So enjoy it, Shelly May. You know the rest of us will also. All right, guys, here we go. Let's hope this Aero corkscrew doesn't kill us too much. Oh God, here we go. No! Whee! And corkscrewing in Japan. That one was actually pretty good. I can handle that. And I'm probably gonna do it again as well, because everybody wants to see the back seat of the Toshimaen corkscrew. All right, here we go, guys. Now we're trying the back seat of the legendary Aero corkscrew. And yes, Shelly May is still riding with us. I know this is not a Disney roller coaster, but she's here anyway, hanging out for the day. Because we're going to go to Disney after this park, just in case you were wondering. Alrighty, look, you can see the park. It's pretty, it has lots of rides and stuff. All right, guys, here we go. The front seat wasn't too bad, so let's see how the back seat's gonna be. Oh! Oh! A little bit more intensity there. Oh! Whee! Corkscrewing in the back. I do all of my corkscrewing in the back. All right. Honestly, that was fine. I enjoyed it. Shelly May still says, one paw straight up. Not two, just one. After it is an Aero after all.